Don't trust everyone around you. Stop trusting people who you think you can trust. I have trusted people, and the outcome that they came after was like insane. I could not have ever imagined that they were the ones who did me that. You have seen so many times that the one who are closer to you are the biggest disruptors of your life. You have seen it in many of the cases. Even I have seen it. You know what? I was a very fragile kind of person when it comes to trusting people, because the one who talks to me sweetly, I am all done. I'm like, hey, I trust you, and then I spill everything that is in my mind. Don't trust anyone in your life. You will be left depleted, which I don't want. Okay, I have seen trusting people and getting the most dirtiest, the most worst heartbreaks ever. Just don't keep expectations from everyone but yourself. No, please don't. You may think what she's saying is illogical. What she's saying is not applicable to our life, but it's general. It's so important for you to be that kind of a person in your life. You need to trust yourself over anyone, okay? It takes time to build trust to yourself. It takes time, but once you trust yourself, no one in the world can defeat you, okay? You are the most powerful, the most super able person in your life, okay? Because you know what? In these times, most of the people are not connected to themselves. They are connected to the toxicity, which eventually makes them far away from their own selves. Which is why most of the people are not there with themselves when they needs to be. So you should be the one. You can be the remaining 10% of the population. Why is it so difficult for you to just trust yourself and give it time and work on it? I know it takes time, it takes effort, it takes failures. It's so boring, I know, but it's worth it. In your life, when you would be 80 plus, you will reflect on your life, and don't you dare say that, oh my god, I could have done this, but I haven't done this. The circle of toxic people will always take you far away from your goals and from yourself. It's not something that will benefit in your life in any way. If you think of yourself a better person, then do it. Do it. I know it feels bad. I know it will feel dirty. It will feel worse. It will feel grumpy in the beginning, because comments always feels hard. But once it will come into your practice, it could be a stress reliever. It could be so many things you can ever think of. You will be not needing a company. You will not be searching for a man to be with you. You would not be searching for any external love or any external validation to fill your cup. Okay? Love is a sugar-coated lie, and heartbreak is your superpower. Let me tell you, girl. I would say I have been learned. I learned so many in these things, and especially of the field of love. Then I would say, if you have soft heart, if you have a really expressive heart, then keep it to yourself until and unless you find a gentleman that actually meets your high standards. Always keep your high standards, okay? Never ever think that he's the only one, because I can't find anyone else, so let's him be my boyfriend and him be myself. Please don't do that ever, because it could be the worst heartbreak of my life. I've experienced it, so I know. No, don't do this ever in your life. Keep your prices high, keep your standards high, and if he or she doesn't matches it, please don't go down in your value, because you are worthy than that. Okay? It has no happiness. It has no benefit in your life, because now if I reflect back to my life, always I see it in a positive way. But moreover, if you will ever reflect back at your life, you would see what I have done, why I have spent my entire years or my entire months or whatever the time slot is with that person who couldn't even match my expectations or my standards. It would be a regret for you. It would be a big eye opener for you. It's good for you, but I would say, why to waste your time? Just keep your standards high, and if you find a man meeting that, it's great, girl, go ahead, have fun. But if you didn't get it, then please step back and focus on yourself. Because most of the time, let me tell you, you can't catch butterflies. Okay, you can't catch butterflies. So never go for validating, and never go for a man to love you, respect you, and give you the thing that you deserve, and he's not the one. It's so clear. When he is not the one, how could he be doing all these things which you like? Okay, which you want him to do? He'll never. Okay, so don't chase butterflies. Build a garden which attracts butterflies. I hope you get it. So, heartbreaks. Heartbreaks are the best thing that could ever happen to me, honestly. I'm telling you, after every breakup or after every heartbreak, I always got the bigger opportunity. I was the most happiest person. I got glow up after every breakup or after every inconvenience in my life, because I know God is with my side every time. If I get inconvenience in any of the thing, that I have something bigger on the other side. You know, grass is always greener on the other side. It feels so, but it's not so. Trust me. Your life is a miracle. You are not aware of it because you are not seeing it that way, okay? Beauty is everywhere. You just need to put on that goggles and need to see everywhere. You will see beauty in everything, okay? You should see positivity in everything. Nowadays, negativity is so much is up the raise, but okay. Can't we just positive? Can't we just positive for ourselves, for our people, for our life, for everything that is by ourselves? Being negative, what is the harm to being positive? We can be positive, no? Why always we have to be negative and say always bad things about people? It is diminishing our own light. Okay, we need to shine at school. We need to shine at school, okay? The real glow ups and my favorite one. Okay, so glow ups aren't putting a lip gloss on, getting new products at your home site and everything. It's about your mindset. It's about saying no to what drains you and saying yes to what protects you and what makes you feel good and is good for your own thing. You know, it's saying yes to what grows you. Okay, and sis, most importantly that you need to remember is that it starts with awareness, not perfection. Perfection, okay, leave this kind of perfection. Your imperfection is your perfection. Your awareness is your perfection. You yourself are perfect. I don't know what. There is no actual meaning of perfection. You can make everything perfect even if it's not perfect, because in your way it's perfect. Okay, so make your way of perfection, not the general perfection ever. Honestly, man, you are gonna get everything in your life because I trust in that. Grateful for everything which needs to be. Everyone needs to be grateful for their thing because it's what they have got, okay? School is just a part of learning, okay? You have strong connection with yourself, and it always starts with sitting with yourself, spending time with yourself, and once you have that relation with yourself, no one can break it. You can go anywhere without anyone's company because you have yourself as the biggest company. So yes, girls, it's important to understand you, because if you think a man will come and understand you and gives you everything, so it's just an expectation. Just don't expect that it will come. It's okay to be delusional, but just serve you first. You should not be dependent on anyone in your life, in any stage of your life, because there are your parents who thinks that you are the best person in the world, you can do everything, and never ever prove them wrong, okay? That you are not the one. Don't spend your life on a boy, oh please. Keep your standards high, and I promise you a gentleman will come to you, because you are not serving the other, you can say, pervert boys around you, and you are winning and thinking for yourself. The quote that I said, remember that. So I hope it will be fun to you. Listen, college is not just a place of your higher studies or a new level of yourself, but it's a place to learn so many new things. And you decide you need to be the most insecure person or the person who owns the room. It depends on you, how you treat yourself, how you treat this video, and how you treat your mindset after watching this. So it's all about you. Thank you so much. I hope you learned from this video. So let's meet in another video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.